So guys, if you want to make this type of videos, you need to watch this video till end, so keep watching. At first you have to download Pixel Lab app, link in description, and open it. After opening this, you have to type here what you want. I'm typing I'm taking the emoji first, and it set here image size at 520 and 520, height and weight 520 and 520 set here, and emoji here, set here the emoji. So after this, if you want this Apple type emoji, you need to download this Apple font, link in description. I have added the emoji. After that, I am setting it to middle and a little bit of down. So after this, I want to set the background as black. I'm setting the background color as black, flat black, and go again to font and type here what you want. I'm typing life 100%, happy life. So after this, I'm setting the font of the text and setting this at middle, setting the font from this type of font. So save this. After this, you have to save this and type 90% and another emoji here, and add another emoji here. Do this, keep doing this till 0%, till the 0%. You have to do this till 0%. I'm doing this. Created all the emojis and saved it to gallery. Now open Funimate app, link in description. You can download the app from here. You can download the app from the description link. Open Funimate and select the images 100 to 10. Okay, keep square and click on the music icon, you can see upside. So set the music. I'm setting this Alerni Chekip. You can hear the sound. Now you need to set the images ending point as the beat. You need to set the images ending point at the beat. I'm matching this. Keep watching. After matching all the clips per beat, you need to add transition from here at the white dot between two clips. Export the video, you need to click on the top right side here, you can see, and save privately. It's rendering video. Now you need to click on the gallery, save to gallery, and your video has been saved to gallery. Now I'm playing this. I'm going to create tutorial video on all types of status videos. So guys, subscribe to our channel, press the bell icon, and enjoy watching our video and never miss another video from us. Thank you for watching. Next tutorial will be created on how to create this type of video. To get this type of video tutorial, subscribe to our channel and comment in the comment section.